Welcome, today in front of me TCL 306, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should go into the Gmail application. After that, click here on the right upper corner and you can see that we are logged in into two accounts at the same time. And now just to log out from this account here in Gmail application, we should log out from the Google account on our device. So how we can do this? You should click here to manage accounts on this device, and after that you'll see them here in Google account settings. For example, to log out from the second one, click here and just tap to remove account. After that, just tap to remove account again, and now we can see that we'll stay here in Google account settings only with one Gmail account, and one will go into the application. We can check and see that in app we stay also only with one Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.